Hi everyone, in this video, let us see if we could see videos from a private TikTok account. So for example, this account is private, means we can't see any videos or posts from this account. And if you're going to try to search for information from Google about viewing private TikTok accounts, there are a lot of articles that will say that we can actually open private accounts, but there's only a limit. So if you don't have an account, you can open TikTok here in Google or any browser that you have, but it will not let you open those private accounts. So actually, even if you use this a lot of applications, still we cannot open this this private accounts of videos and posts unless if we follow them. So if you wish to see the videos and posts of this account, which is private, then tap follow and then you'll get that notification of your request. At the same time, the person that you have followed will also get a notification that you wish to follow them and see their videos and posts from their walls. So hope this is somehow informative. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe so that we can update you next time.